Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. As I told that I'll be uploading data structure related problems in my channel. So yeah, I have come with a new video in my channel, right? In this video, I've taken a problem that is the concept of related to subarray. Okay, this is a problem of array, and we'll solve the problem today. And this is a quite famous question. You can see here is the like is almost 5431. That means almost 5,000 plus. And yeah, it is a important question. Even I have seen this question in some of the famous sheets, right? DSS sheets. So this question is important. So that's why I took this question, and I thought I'll solve this question today, right? So let's start the question, right? Okay, let's begin. Fine. So the question here given is minimum size survey sum. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's see the problem statement. Given an array of positive integers, nums, positive integer target, and return the minimum length of contiguous survey. Fine. Of which the sum is greater than or equal to the target. Okay. Fine. Okay. See. Basically, in the question, they're telling that we have given an array, right? This is the array. This is nums, and what they are telling that they have given a target, okay, and they are asking you, okay, find any sub array. Okay, sub array means like it can be anything like 2 3 or 1 2 or 2 3 1 or 2 4 3, anything, right? Find the sub array, okay, who whose sum is greater than or equal to the target, this target, right? This is the target value, right? Okay, so what it is giving the output as 2. Fine. It's telling that the survey 4 3 has the minimum length. Okay, one more thing, guys. It's asking that you should print the minimum, like you should like give the minimum length. Okay, minimum length means the minimum survey whose sum is, who like the element of whose sum is 7 or greater than 7, right? So 4 3 is the minimum because the size is only 2, only 2 elements are there, that's why it is 2, right? So that is it's 2. Fine. Next it is 1 4 4. Okay, see, it is asking target as 4, and even one element also can be a survey, right? So if you see that 4 is already present in the array, so that means it is only the survey, right? It is only the smallest survey, so it can be the answer, right? So I have to give return the size, right? Only one, right, in the survey, that is it, one. Output is one, right? Fine. Okay, so let's see the example 3. Okay, here given is array that is containing many ones. Find all ones. It is asking target and as 11. It is not possible. See why? If you even add all the elements of this array and make an sub array, it will, how much it will be? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It will become 8. It is not even like becoming 11. Okay, it is not even like equal or greater than 11. So we are not finding any sub array, right? In that case, we have to return 0. So output will be 0. Okay, so that's all about the problem statement, guys, and all the examples we have seen. Now I will take you to the editor, and I'll explain the problem. Okay, I'll take this example and I'll explain how the output is coming. This 2 is coming. Okay, I'll explain that. Fine. So let's start. Okay, so this is the problem. This is the example. As I told that I'll take this example and I'll explain you how we are getting the actual output, right? Fine. So in the problem, they told that we have to return the size of the minimum survey whose sum is equal to the target element. Okay, so the target element was given was in the example, right? Like in the first example, it was 7. It was 7. Fine. So what you have to do here, we have to find the minimum survey whose sum is, who, like the elements of that survey sum should be greater than or equal to this target, right? The target is given 7. Okay, so let's discuss how we can find. Okay, see, basically what we can do here is we'll start from the first element, right? Okay, and we'll add the sum. Okay, we'll add the sum to this variable. Okay, and we compare this with this target. Okay, okay, we compare this with target. If you see that like it's matching, like it's matching 7 or it is even greater than 7, then we'll increase our window, this window. Okay, I can take this as window. This is a window. Okay, this is basically a sliding window technique we'll use. Okay, and I'll just tell you how we can solve the problem. Fine, let's start. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so see, first I will take 2 here. Okay, 2 in the sum. See, my sum is 2. Is 2 uh, is 2 greater than or equal to 7? It's not, right? So increase my window. I'll increase my window. Now see, the sum will be 2 plus 3, 5. 5. Is 5 greater than or equal to 7? It's not, right? So increase my window. It's okay. So the window size has become 3. And now add the elements 2, 3, 1. It is how much? 2 plus 3 plus 1. It is 6, right? So that is even not possible because 6 is less than or less than 7, right? So we have to still increase our window. Yes, now if we see 2, 3, 1, 2, how much it will be? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, right? So now this is 8. This is 8. So we have got an element that is greater than or equal to 7. 8 is greater than 7, right? So that's why we have got an element, okay, that is greater than 7, and we have to count this size, this sub-array size, and we have to shape that to its min length, minimum length. See how much? 1 2 3 4. So my minimum length is 4 now. Okay, fine. Let's do for the other thing, other values also. Now one thing what I will tell you is, whenever we'll see any sub-array, okay, whose sum is greater than or equal to 7, what we will do that time? We'll subtract the first element, or we'll decrease the window length by one element. So I'll decrease it from first element, right? Whenever we'll find any element like any survey, okay, and it is greater than or equal to 7 or in the target, that time we will decrease the window by one size. Fine. And then we'll check. See, 2 3 plus 1 plus 2, how much? 4 2 plus 6, right? So not possible. Sum is 6 now. It is less than 7. So I can increase the window, right? Now my window will be 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, it is 10 now. It is 10 now. That means, yes, it is greater than 7. So the length will be 3 plus 1, 4, right? 1 2 3 4. But already my minimum length is 4. No need to update it. Okay, so as I told, whenever it is like the sum is like equal to or greater than 7, what do you have to do? We have to decrease the window. This is the window. I again decrease the window by one length. Okay, by one element. Again we have to do, we have to check 1 plus 2 plus 4, how much? 3 plus 4. 2 plus 1, how much? 3 plus 4, how much? 7. Okay, we are getting a new subarray whose sum is 7. It is possible. It is possible. 7 plus 7 and 7. It is matching, right? So we have got a new subarray whose length is how much? 1 2 3 3. So what do you have to do? We have to find the minimum subarray. Minimum subarray size. 3 is smaller than 4. So update my minimum length to 3. To 3. Sorry for the bad handwriting. It will be 3. It is 3, right? So as I told, whenever we'll find any equal or greater than, right? This sum is greater than or equal to 7, right? What do you have to do? Again, we have to decrease our window by one size, one element. Fine. Again, we'll check 2 plus 4. How much? 6. 6 is more less than 7, right? This is not the survey. So what do you have to do? Again, increase my window. So my new window will be 2 plus 4 plus 3. How much it will be? 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 3. 9. 9 is greater than 7. Obviously, it is greater than 7. So my new sum will be, sorry, it will be 9. Okay, it will be 9. But you can see that the length is 1 to 3. How much it is? 1 2 3. 3 elements there. That means it is length of 3. But already I have a minimum window bro, that is of 3. Minimum survey of 3. So I should not update this minimum length, right? Fine. And as I told, whenever we will get any match like or equal to or greater than 7, that means target element, we have to decrease our window by one length, one element. Again, we'll check 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, see, 4 plus 3 is 7. That means it is equal to the target, this target. That means I have got an minimum Subarray. See, 4 and 3, only two elements are there. And we are getting 7. That means equal to 7. Then we can update our minimum length because I have to get the minimum Subarray whose length is minimum, and that will be, and whose sum is greater than or equal to this 7. So that is 2, because 2 is less than 4, less than 3. So my new minimum length will be 2. That's why the output is 2. As I told no in the previous like in the example, right? This is the output will be 2. So output will be 2. Fine. So output is 2. So that is all about the explanation, guys. Now I will take you to the code editor and I'll solve the problem. Right? I'll write the code and I'll run the code. Let's see what you get the output, right? Let's go to the code editor now. Okay, so guys, I have come to the code editor. Okay, I'll solve the code. Okay, first. So first, I will take the age condition here. What I will take as if there is no element in the array. Okay, means if there is the array's length is 0. Okay, then I have to return 0. And then I will take a new variable is in sum equal to 0 to keep like add the subarrays sum, okay, in that variable. Then I'll take another variable, okay, that is min length. In the beginning I'm keeping my min length as integer dot value. That means it is the infinity value. That means if any value it comes, it will be less than this max value, right? Okay, that's why I'm keeping it as integer dot max value. Okay, then I will take new variable int l 0. As I told you guys, I will have a window. Okay, that window will have two sides, like two parts, left and right part. So initially I'm keeping my l as 0. Okay, then I will take my right side also. I'll tell you how I can do that. Int r is equal to 0, r less than nums dot length r plus plus. I told you guys the window will have like two sides, right? Left side, right side. So initially my left is 0 and my right is 0. Now I'm starting my right from 0 to till the length of the array. Okay. See, first I have to get the sum. Okay. To get the sum, I have to do sum plus equal to nums of I. My nums of I. Okay. See, then now as I told, whenever we'll get any sum that is greater than or equal to the target value, when get sum is greater than or equal to our target. Okay, what I have to do? I'll take a loop that time, while loop, while my sum greater than equal to target. Okay, while my sum greater than equal to target, as I told, whenever we'll get any sum which is greater than or equal to a target value, we have to decrease our window by one length. I'll do that. I'll do that. See how we can do that. Okay, sum minus sum equal to sum minus nums of l. See, l is pointing to 0, that means this 2. Okay, fine. So I have to, like, if I subtract this l, that means I'm separating the first element, right? So that means my window is becoming like reducing, right, by one element. Similarly, I have to do for these other elements also. Whenever we'll get any new subarray and the sum is greater than or equal to target, we have to do that. As soon as we get that, like, then we have to increase our l. We have to increase our l to the next value. Guys, before that I have to update my minimum length. How we can do that? Minimum length equal to math. I'm comparing, right? I'm comparing the new minimum length with the previous minimum length. How we can do that? Min length comma min minus, sorry, this is my r minus l. I am doing r minus l plus 1 because see, to get the subarray, okay, that is my window, right? So if I like do subtract from my right side of the window to the left side of the window, I will get the left of I'll get the size of the subarray, right? Because r is for my right index, l is for my left index, so I can get r minus l. That means I will get my subarray. And what I am doing, why I am doing one, because see, if on my subarray size is only one, okay, see, think this 2 is my subarray and it is the index of 0, right? But I cannot return 0, so I have to add 1 with it so that I can return 1, right? That's why I'm adding 1. Similarly, for other cases also it will handle like that, okay? So I am my for loop is ended here. Now I have to see that if after traversing the whole array, my minimum length is not changing, means my minimum length is the same value, okay, that means it doesn't contain any subarray, right? So how we have to return that time? See, return how return if my minimum length not equal to integer dot x value, that time return min length, else return 0. Means after traversing the whole array, if we like, if we don't find, like we don't find any subarray, that time return 0. Or if we find any minimum length, okay, that means it is not equal to the first value only, then return that new minimum length, this new minimum length, or else you return 0. That means you didn't find any subarray, right? Okay, I guess this is the correct I have written. Okay, let's check on the once the code before running. Max value, okay, 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 okay. I have to keep it here as r. Okay, fine. Let's run the code. Okay, cannot find any symbol. Class int. Okay, I guess I have spelling mistake, I guess. Yes, it should be I. Now let's run. Yes, it is correct. Let's submit. Yes, it is accepted, guys. Your code is 99.55% faster. Okay, got it. So that is all about the code, guys. I hope you have liked my solution, like this code solution, and liked my explanation. So similarly, I'll be uploading new videos in my channel, guys. So if anyone is in preparing for product-based companies or SD roles, and they are preparing for DSA, you can watch my channel, guys, because I'll be uploading some important problems that is mostly asked by these companies. So I'll be uploading this type of videos in my channel in future also. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I hope we'll meet in the next video. So bye bye, guys.